Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to post on Weverse. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Weverse application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Weverse application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to post on Weverse, first of all, what you have to do is go to the community where you want to post. At the top of the home interface, you'll be able to see the communities. Simply tap on the community of your choice. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to that particular community. You'll be able to see all the posts over here. So if you want to post, what you have to do is tap on the plus icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find three options over here: listening party, fan later, post. Tap on the option post. Now you'll be able to write a post. Simply write whatever you want to post. Now after you do that, you'll also be able to attach the photos and URL. If you tap on the photo icon, you can see over here you'll be able to attach the photo. Likewise, if you tap on the URL icon, you can see over here you'll be able to enter the URL. So you can simply enter it. Now after you do that, you can also choose to hide from the artist. If you want to hide from the artist, what you have to do is toggle this button that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, tap on the post option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. If you're posting for the first time, you can see over here you'll have to go through the SMS authentication. You'll have to tap on the verify option, provide your phone number, and after that you'll be able to go through the SMS authentication. Now after your phone number is authenticated, your post will be posted. So like this, you'll be able to post. So that is how you post on Weverse. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.